Good morning, welcome to episode 98. So on the previous episode we pulled out a bunch of carpeting and staples and that kind of thing, and we ended up patching quite a few nail holes and that kind of stuff. So today I'm starting off with a walk, obviously something pretty to do, and as soon as I head home we're gonna go back into removing the remaining carpet in the other bedrooms because I want to sand the entire floor so I don't have to re-rent the same equipment. So stick with us today. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when we have new content up, and I'll see you at work. All right, mister, what are we doing today?
We are taking off all of the floor, as you see right now. We've also emptied up the whole room. And now we're all picking up. And after we're done picking up, we're gonna have a break.
That's right. Alright, today's the day. I got the sander, the drum sander from Lowe's, and I also got like an edge sander that I'm going to be doing hopefully the other half of the house. So let's see how it goes. Trying to fill in with wood filler the cracks on the bigger cracks on the hardwood floor, and because they're just too visible. And let me show you. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is not as bad. That is actually maybe the better of the bedrooms, but the hallway needed a lot of work, and part of it is because there were smaller pieces of wood and they were sliding out, and they were still nailed, but the wood's shrinking made for big cracks. So as you can see, the hallway has a lot of patching done. But then the master bedroom, has some right down there, and I found out, I'm kind of new to this too, but I found out that anything that is closer to a vent, I'm guessing because it has lesser support around or something, or maybe the difference in temperatures and that kind of thing, ends up having bigger cracks. So you will see here I have bigger cracks. Sometimes close to the windows I do too. So anyway, I did all the bedrooms, and also I did not talk about this, but what do you call it? Oh, the sanding of the floor went really well, but due to some circumstances, I had to rush it quite a bit in order to be able to do this. So my plan for now is let this dry, and then I'm gonna go get, I have to go buy a little rotary sander and get some 100 or 120 grit sandpaper to just barely pass over the wood filled areas, or whatever that thing is called, wood filler. All right, new toy. I needed, what are they called? A random orbital sander to go with, so I can do the parts of the floor. And since I usually use Kobalt, I went with the Kobalt one. Let's see. And I did not know that it came with existing, what do they call them? Wheels. So 120 is what I need. 220 is too fine for what I'm doing. Trying to line up. There are some holes in there. Try to line them up because it gets rid of that dust apparently. Doesn't come with a battery, but I have plenty of batteries, so. All right, let's try it. Alright, today is a very rainy day and we're staying inside, and the next thing that we have to do is what we've been trying to do for a long time. And my beautiful wife is stirring the, what is it?
Polyurethane.
Yeah, the varnish essentially that we're putting on the floor. So you shouldn't go too slowly. I think we can do it pretty quickly because it's easy to roll out, and it says that it needs, if it is bare wood like ours is, it's gonna take 3 coats, and we can apply them 2 hours apart, plus or minus depending on what the humidity and temperature and stuff is. We finished up the sanding and the varnishing. It took us only about 15-20 minutes each time to do each layer of varnish, and then we could do it on top. So here it is 24 hours later. Thank you for watching today. Well, next phase is finishing up the rest of the rooms and patching walls and that kind of thing. So we can go ahead and start painting. We have some of the paint, we need more paint, but we'll start painting, and then things will be coming a lot quicker. Be blessed and have a wonderful day.